Hello my dear students, welcome to the maths class. I hope all of you are keeping fine at home. Yes? Okay, fine. So students, today we are going to learn ones and tens. Okay? So please follow today's class. So let us understand with the help of one example. So what you can see here, this is a matchstick. Okay? Only one matchstick is there. So this is known as 1, 1. Okay? What is this? This is 1, 1. Now, how many matchsticks can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 matchsticks. So this is known as 10 ones. Okay. This is a single matchstick. So this is 1, 1. Okay. And there are 10 matchsticks. So this is known as 10 ones. Okay. If I group all the 10 matchsticks together, so then we get 110. This is known as 110 because I have put all the matchsticks together. This is a group of 10 matchsticks. So this is known as 110. Okay. This is 1, 1. This is 1, 10. Okay. Now you can see there are two groups of matchsticks. Okay. And each group is having 10 matchsticks. There are 10 matchsticks. In this group also there are 10 matchsticks. So 10 and 10. 20 matchsticks are there in total. Okay. So here I have put all the 10 matchsticks together. Okay. Here also I have grouped all the matchsticks. That means all the 10 matchsticks together. Okay. So all total this is known as 2 tens. Okay. Only this one is known as 1, 10. Two groups containing 20 matchsticks. That means 10 matchsticks in each group. This is known as 2 tens. Okay. Now, what you can see here, there are 3 groups of matchsticks and each of the groups are having 10 matchsticks. 10, 10, 10. So this is known as 3 tens. Okay. 30 matchsticks equal to 3 tens. Okay. And the counting goes on. If I put here another 10 matchsticks, then it will become 10, 10, 10, 10. 40 matchsticks will become 4 tens. Okay. Then 5 matchstick groups and each group containing 10 matchsticks, that will become 50 matchsticks. 50 matchsticks will become 5 tens. 60 matchsticks, 6 tens. 70 matchsticks will become 7 tens. 80 matchsticks will become 8 tens. 90 matchsticks will become 9 tens. And 100 matchsticks will become 10 tens. Okay. So like this you have to understand ones and tens. Okay. So just now what we have learned, 1, 1, it is written as 1. 10 ones equal to 110. Then 110 we will write as 1010. 2 tens, it is written as 2020. 3 tens, 3030. 40. 4 tens, 40, 40. 5 tens, 50, 50. 6 tens, 60, 60. 7 tens, 70, 70. 8 tens, 80, 80. 9 tens, 90, 90. 10 tens equal to 100, 100. Now, let us understand what do we mean by digit. So, a digit is a symbol that is used to write the numbers. Okay? See, from 0 to 9, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, these are known as one digit number because you can see from 0, 0, 1, 2, these are all one digit numbers. Okay? 1. Now, from 1010 to 99, like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like this up to 99, these are known as two digit number. See, 1, 2. Here only one digit is there, so this is known as one digit number. Here you can see there are two digits, 1, 2. So these are two digit numbers. Okay. Now, 1010, it is the smallest two digit number. 1010 is the smallest two digit number. And 9999 is the biggest two digit number. Okay. See, from the beginning, 0 to 9, this is one digit number. And from 10 to 99, this is two digit number. This is known as two digit number. Okay. So 1010 is the smallest two digit number and 9999 is the biggest two digit number. Okay. From 100, 100, it becomes three digit number. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to know the place value of a digit. Place value. Place value is also known as position. Position of a digit with the help of abacus. Okay. Suppose this is an abacus. Okay. So let me explain with this number 1515. So just now we have learned ones, tens. So ones, it is written as O, and tens, it is written as T. Okay. So in the abacus, we will write OT. From our right hand side, we will start writing. In the first rod, we will write O. In the second vertical rod, we will write T. Okay. These are known as vertical rods. Okay. We will start with our right side. So, we will write in the first rod, we will write O. It stands for ones. And in the second vertical rod, we will write T. T stands for tens. Okay. So, this is O and this is T. Like this we will write. Okay. So, see the number 1515. In the ones place, which digit is written? 5 is written. Okay. So, we will make in this vertical rod 5 beads. So, we will put 5 beads in the ones column or in the ones vertical rod. Okay. And these are known as beads. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have placed these 5 beads in the ones column or in the ones vertical rod. Okay. Now we have to see what is the next number, next digit. This is 1. Okay. And 1 it is placed in the tens column. So we have to put one bead in this tens vertical rod. Okay, like this. Okay, so it shows 1, 5, 15. See, 1, 5, 15. Like this, you have to understand. Now, see this abacus, the second example. So, what you can see here in the ones vertical rod or in the ones column, only one bead is there. Okay, so we will write 1, 1, 1. And in the tens column, or we can say tens vertical rod, you can see there are 1, 2, 2 beads. So we will write here 2 tens. Okay, 2 tens, 1, 1. Okay, so we are getting the number 2, 1, 21. So from this abacus, we are getting the number 2, 1, 21. See the abacus clearly? See? In the ones column or the ones vertical rod, no bead is there. So we will write here 0, 1. Okay? 0 ones. Now, see the tens vertical rod. You can see there are 1, 2, 2 beads. So write down 2 tens. So we are getting the number 2, 0, 20. Okay. Next, in the ones column, what you can see, 3 beads are there. 3 beads are there in the ones vertical rod. So write down 3 ones. Okay. And in the tens vertical rod, no bead is there. So we will write here 0 tens. Now tell me the number that we get from this abacus. The number is 3. Only 3. Okay. I hope now the concept of ones and tens is clear to you all. Yes? Okay. Now see the exercise questions in page number 87 and 88. Page number 87, the first example, it is already done in the book. In the ones vertical rod, you can see there are 6 beads. So this is 6 ones. And in the tens vertical rod, you can see no bead is there. So 0, 10. So we are getting the number 6. Okay. Next. In the ones column or ones vertical rod, we are getting 1, 2 beads. So write down 2 here, 2 ones. And in the tens vertical rod, you can see 1 bead is there. So we will write 1, 10. So we are getting 1 to 12. Okay, so we are getting the number 1 to 12. Okay, next. Now see this one. In the ones vertical rod, how many beads can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write down 7 ones. And in the tens vertical rod, there are 1, 2 beads. So we will write here 2 tens. So we are getting the number 2, 7, 27. 2 tens and 7 ones. Okay. Now see page number 88. You are required to complete the questions that are given in page number 88. Okay. That's all for today. Have a nice day everyone and take care.